Tired of duplicate Jira issues cluttering your board? I get it. It happens all the time. Someone accidentally creates a second ticket for the same bug or feature request, and suddenly your project feels messy and confusing. But here is the good news. You can mark one issue as a duplicate of another in about 30 seconds, and it keeps everything clean, organized, and fully traceable. Let me show you exactly where to click. I will walk you through the whole process in a real Jira project. We will go step by step, so you can see exactly how this looks on screen and do it yourself in no time. Start by logging into your Jira account. Go ahead and open it up. This is the same page you use every day, so you should feel right at home. Now navigate to your project from the left panel. You will see a list of your projects there. Click on the one you are working on. For this example, I am working inside a project that has a few issues already on the board. Select the issue you want to mark as duplicate. This is the task that you believe is the duplicate. Click on it to open it up. You will see the issue details fill the screen. In my case, I am looking at an issue with a specific key. Just find yours and click it. Now, on the right side panel, locate the section called Linked Work Items. It is usually pretty easy to spot. It sits there on the right-hand side, ready for you to start connecting things together. And here is the important part. This is where the magic happens. If you have never used this section before, do not worry. It is straightforward once you see it. Click the Add button to start linking. It says Add Linked Work Item right there. Just click it, and a small window will pop up. From the first drop-down, select Is Duplicated By. This tells Jira that the issue you are currently looking at is the original, and the other issue is the duplicate. Make sure you pick this option. It is the one that creates a clear relationship, so anyone looking at the board later will understand immediately what happened. In the second drop-down, pick the issue that is the duplicate. Start typing its key or name, and Jira will help you find it. In my project, I can see the duplicate issue right there in the list. Just select it. Finally, click the Link button to confirm. That is it. You are done. The two issues are now connected, and your board stays clean. I have tested this process in my own projects, and it works every time. No more wondering which ticket is the real one. No more confusion for your team. Just clean, traceable relationships between issues. And now, your project is organized. You have gone from messy duplicates with no traceability to a clean, professional setup. That is the whole thing in less than a minute. Thanks for watching.